Hi guys, so we can't do the part 3 in the cooking of the restaurant because we need more videos to support my channel. Please subscribe and I follow you back in TikTok. Just comment your name in the comment section. I will text it. But first, subscribe. If you're asking why I'm wearing this, because we go at and I speak Tagalog for the first time. My mom just teach me. Pumunta kami sa swimming pool ng one day. Nag-swimming kami ng mga pinsan ko at anak ng mga madam doon sa eskwelahan namin. Natuloy malalaki, maliliit. At ako rin. At yung mga mama at papa namin at tito. Circus kung di ka magagawa yung part 3 ng cooking restaurant because we need to support our channel in YouTube and TikTok. Please subscribe me. If I don't going to if I don't make a video in YouTube because I'm bored, I will do the part 3 and it's all the cooking restaurant is for part 5, so we are part 3. Guys, please support my channel and subscribe because I'm very useful because in YouTube we can get the diamond gold that the square, the box one, we can get that. Please follow me, subscribe me, and I follow you on TikTok. Just comment your name in there, please. I'm begging you to subscribe.